Guys, this is Richmond. So last week I had better understanding of something we call G6PD. So I've been lab technician for years. I knew how to do the G6PD test. I had an idea what it is, the fact that it's an enzyme and it protects the red blood cell. But then I didn't really understand the detail, what actually happens, what the process the G6PD enzyme actually go through to save the red blood cell, and how it's induces or it has a role in hemolysis, breakdown of your red blood cells, leading to you getting anemia if you are exposed to certain triggers. So over the week, I had the chance to be at a certain laboratory, of which I'll mention the name later. And then we had a discussion with this laboratory scientist, and damn, this guy took us deep into it. So I had better understanding of what G6PD is, glucose 6 phosphate dehydrogenase. And what this enzyme does is it actually helps to keep a balance of what we call redox. So reduction and oxidation, redox. So redox balance, that's basically the function of the G6PD. It helps to bring certain oxidized substances in the body to the reduced state. So you can't talk about G6PD without having knowledge of oxidative stress and ROS, reactive oxygen species. You need to understand these things, how these ROS and free radicals causes problem in the body, and the fact that the body has to remove all these things through oxidation and reduction. So for you to understand G6PD, you need to understand this redox balance that I'm talking about. So what this G6PD does is it converts glucose 6 phosphate to 6 phosphate gluconate. In doing so, it converts NHDP plus to NHDPH, and this NHDPH is very, very, very important in reducing oxidized glutathione GSH to reduce glutathione, which is GSH. And this GSH actually helps to remove these radicals and these ROS, reactive oxygen species. It helps to remove all these things from the body, and this helps the body a lot. Without that, there's going to be a lot of hemolysis, there's going to be a lot of crisis in the body. I know some of you will not understand what I'm saying, but the technical people will actually understand the oxidative stress, how the body's processes releases certain ROS, reactive oxygen substances, into the body, which causes a lot of harm to the body. So it is actually this G6PD which starts this first step of the pentose phosphate pathway, which actually helps to reduce these free radicals and these ROS from the body. So this week, I got better understanding of what G6PD is. I entreat us all to read, and read. So G6PD actually helps to maintain the integrity of the red blood cells. It helps to protect it through this process that I'm talking about of it converting glucose 6 phosphate to 6 phosphate gluconate. In doing so, it converts the NHDP plus to the NHDPH, which this NHDPH is very important in converting oxidized glutathione, which is GSH, to reduced form, which is GSH. And this reduced form helps to reduce these ROS, reactive oxygen species, and also free radicals from the body. MLS Richmond here. I'm out.